ओके
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
सर सर अभी एक लड़की वेटिंग में है, सकीना जमातिया।
Okay. Now, your first paragraph from my grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, to tell us. Okay. Suppose it is your given paragraph in your question paper. So you have to go through this paragraph. Okay. It is all about my grandmother. Okay. So and there are some points also about grandfather. Okay. So you can say that our first point is grandmother. Okay. Now 1.1. What is given here? An old woman. Okay. An old woman. मैंने इसका एक वर्ड गायब कर दिया L. Okay. So it is your abbreviation. Okay. Second point 1.2, because our heading is 1. We will give here the point 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay. Now wrinkled for 25 years. 25 years. Getting or not? It is 1 point. Oh, 20 years. 20 years. 1.3. People said that once she had once been young and pretty. So okay. So once young and pretty. Okay. If you want to write third point, you can also write 1.4. Now in the last line, you can say that used to play the games. ये रखा है ना इसमें आपको? Used to play games as a child. Okay, it is all about grandmother. An old woman, wrinkled for 20 years, once young and pretty, एक बार जवान भी थी, खूबसूरत भी थी, and used to play games as a child. Okay. Now the second point in this paragraph is given about grandfather. Okay, so we can write our second point here is grandfather. Are you getting or not? Grandfather. Because it is our second heading, so we will write here 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 like this. Two point one. Okay. His portrait, तो अभी क्या करते हैं, यहाँ ए के बाद यहाँ इसके लगा के यहाँ पर टी लगा दो, तो क्या बन गया आपका पोर्ट्रेट बन गया. इट बिकम्स एन एब्रीविएशन. ओके. पोर्ट्रेट हंग ऑन मेंटल पीस होगा यहाँ पर. यस, मेंटल पीस. मेंटल पीस. मेंटल पीस एब्रीविएशन बन जाएगी कि आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट टाइम यू हैव टू गिव एट लीस्ट 4 एब्रीविएशन. ओके. इट कैरीज योर 1 mark. Okay. This note making carries your 3 marks. 1 mark is for the heading for the whole passage. For the whole passage. It is about the paragraph. 1 paragraph or 2 paragraph, but the heading should be taken from the whole passage. Getting or not? Okay. Our first point is his portrait hung on the mantel piece. Second point, and get 2.2, you will write here, wearing a turban. Wearing a turban. 2.3, having long white beard. Having long white beard. 2.4, looking at least 100 years old. Looking at least 100 years old. Getting or not? In this way, you will prepare your note making. Hello, bachcho. Are you getting my points or not about note making?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, beta, you offline, bachche, are you getting all the points? Okay. So it is about here we have written here 2 points. 1 point about grandmother, second point about grandfather. Okay. Now come to the third point. Okay. The next paragraph. Our next paragraph starts with she had always been short to peace and contentment. Okay. Our next paragraph is she had always been short to peace and contentment. Okay, so just go through to this paragraph, and here we can write our third heading. Yes. Our third point may be here nature, her nature. Her nature and personality. Okay. Yes. Now 3.1. What you can see here? Always short and slightly bent. Okay. So you can write here short then fat slightly bent. Okay. Yes, 3.2, terribly old. Terribly old. Three point three, always wearing spotless white sari. 3.3 here. Yes, one is a God-fearing lady because she always chanting the beads of rosary. So when we do the worship of God, it means that we are God-fearing person. God-fearing means भगवान से डरने वाले. Okay. Or you can write here a religious lady, धार्मिक महिला. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. But I am writing here a God-fearing lady. It is a very good word. A God-fearing lady. Okay. So in this way, you have completed your 3 notes making. 3 points of notes making. One point carry 1 mark. So in this way, you have got 3 marks. Okay. Now I want to tell you that what you will write the heading or title for this passage. What do you want to give the title to this passage? Should I rub it? Now title. Title. ये old woman, okay, or grandmother of the author. Okay, it is all about the grandmother of author. So we can write here the grandmother of author. Okay, yeah, we can write here also old people, yeah, old woman, the head of the family, because she is the oldest person of the family. Okay, so we can write here oldest person of the family. Hello, listening to me or not? We can write here oldest person of the family. Okay, or a loving, a peaceful lady. Whatever you want to write, you can give the title according to the passage. In this way, you will get 1 mark of title. Okay. Now we move ahead towards the abbreviation. Okay. Abbreviation. You will write here just a box. If you don't write or don't draw the box, it does not matter. It does not make any difference. Either you make the box or not. But whatever you have given the abbreviation in your note making, you will write all these words here. Okay. First word was beta old. ऐसे लिखा था हमने old, तो OLD old. Here abbreviation, here you will write the complete word. Okay, second one is wrinkled. Wrinkled. Third is ears. Ears. Fourth one is games. In this way you will give here your abbreviation. Getting or not? Now you will write the summary of the passage. Summary of the passage. It will be in your 80 words. In your 80 words. It is the marks of pre-fund. ये pre-fund के marks होते हैं, you know, pre-fund. Whatever you will write in the summary, the teacher will mark or write, and you will be given the 3 marks. Getting or not? So you can just write the summary of this passage. Shall we write? मैं लिखूं? हेलो, हाँ बोलो. 8 marks की बेटा. It carries 8 marks. 8 marks. Okay. Now I can tell you once again the bifurcation of the marks. Title 1 mark. Once again you can note here. Notes making. It means when you make the points, it carries 3 marks. You will give at least 3 note makings. Okay. And abbreviation, 1 mark. Okay. Here you will give at least 4. कम से कम आपको 4 एब्रीविएशन देनी है. Give at least 4. And then summary in 80 words. And it carries.
सर ये शो नहीं हो रहा है.
क्या शो नहीं हो रहा बेटा? अच्छा, okay. Now I will show it above. देखिएगा टाइटल. What is visible? Title, yes, 1 mark. Notes making, 3 marks. Abbreviation, 1 mark. At least 4. कम से कम आपको 4 देनी है आपको. And then summary. Summary carries 3 marks. Word limit 80 words. You have to write the summary in 80 words. Getting? It is visible?
Yes.
Hello?
Sir.
Okay, beta. Now it is your abbreviation. Now come to the summary. In summary, I can dictate you. Yes, grandmother was an old woman. She had been old Grandmother was an old woman. She had been old, wrinkled for the 20 years. People said she had been old and wrinkled for 20 years. Full stop. People said that she had once been young and pretty. She often told, यहां पर अस नहीं आएगा, इसमें दे रखा है अस मीन्स बन जाएंगे आपको, और यहाँ पर अस शो कर रहा है राइटर और उसके भाई बहन को, गेट और नॉट। तो जरा का ध्यान रखना। शी टोल्ड द गेम्स she used to play as a child. Full stop. She had always been short, fat and slightly bent. Full stop. Her face was full of the crisscross of wrinkles. She hobbled means घूमना. She hobbled, HOBBLED. She hobbled about the house in spotless white sari. With one hand resting on her waist, to balance her body. Full stop. She used to tell the beads, BEADS, the beads of her rosary, ROSSARY, rosary. Full stop. Her lips constantly moved in inaudible. इनके बाद है inaudible, INAUDIBLE, inaudible prayers. She was beautiful and like the winter landscape and like the winter landscape, and like the winter landscape in the mountains. So in this way, you can write the summary of the passage. Tomorrow, I will take letters. Okay? You will do the practice of letters.
सर
Yes, बोलो बेटा.
सर आपने अटेंडेंस लगा लिया?
हाँ, लगा लिया बेटा.
सर मैं भी आई हूँ 11E से, रोल नंबर 16.
देखते हैं बेटा, अभी टीचर आएगा खुद. 11th E.
यस सर, रोल नंबर 16.
रोल नंबर 16. क्या नाम है? रिंग माई दी.
Sir, roll number 35B.
नहीं, नेम. टेल मी योर नेम.
रिंग माई डी.
रिंग माई दी. ओके. और नेक्स्ट वन.
सर साकिना भी.
Sir, young doll.
साकिना.
यंग डॉल. ओके बेटा. और सागना जमा किया.
सर साकिना. यस
ओके
सर.
बेटा. ओके बेटा. नाउ पीरियड इज ओवर. आई एम एंडिंग द मीटिंग.